Hi guys! Welcome back to Crafty Kids! In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a really easy paper Christmas photo frame. This is a very easy way of making a paper Christmas photo frame and is useful too. So as many of you guys know, the festival of Christmas is coming up and many of you guys would have started buying Christmas trees and decorating your houses. So I thought of doing this craft which will be a really easy and cute home decor. So you can put small Merry Christmas greeting cards or any small gifts over here in this photo frame. And if you have any small pictures of you and your family during Christmas time, you can even take that and put it inside. So one more special thing about this is that it has a stand at the back, so you can fix the stand according to the size that you want, and you can keep it on your table, and you can keep it on your desk or anything, and you can keep it as a home decor and also table decor as well. So one more special thing about this is that you can even use it for different festivals, so not only Christmas. So for example, if the festival of Thanksgiving is coming up, you can just take this out and you can put the Thanksgiving drawings or anything that you made inside. So it can be removed, so it will be hard to remove it. So you can just take a scissor, and as you see there will be a small hole over here, so I can just insert it and you push it out, and this part will come out, and you can easily take it out from all directions over here. So now your drawing will be ready. I can insert different pictures over here inside it according to the festival that comes up, and it's also easy to insert it. You can just take this part, you can push it inside at the bottom, and you should open this and you can put it inside over here, and same at the top also. You just have to fold it a little bit and you can stick it. Have to stick it inside. This is also really easy and cool craft to do, and it'll also be really fun craft to do as well. So without any further delay, let's get started, and we'll be seeing how to make this really easy paper Christmas frame. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also hit the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So now let's get into the video. So for this craft, I just took a white piece of paper for drawing and doing everything, since white will be a good color to do. If you already have a printout or something, or your picture, you can take and use it. And according to the size of your craft, you can do it in a bigger size. And this one I took black because black and white would be a good color combination. And I'm going to be taking the same color combination now as well. If you guys want, you can take different colors. First step is that I'm taking the black piece of paper, square piece of paper. So I'm taking 7 into 7 centimeter paper, and since I'm going to be inserting a drawing of mine, I'm just taking a smaller piece. If you're going to be sticking any printouts or anything of your wish, you can use a bigger size according to that. So first step is that we're going to be folding it in half like this. So after that, we're going to be opening it and we're going to be folding it in half in the opposite direction. Now we're going to be folding it diagonally on both the sides like this. So make sure all the folds are correct, because we only need 1 or 2 minutes to do this, and if you do any mistake, it will be kind of hard to recover it, and you need a new piece of paper, so do it perfectly. So the next step is that we're going to be folding all the 4 sides of the paper to the middle point of the paper over here like this. So once we complete that, we're going to be taking this paper and we're going to be rotating it to the opposite direction. And now we're going to be repeating the same steps. So we're going to be folding all the 4 sides of the paper, the middle point over here, like this. And now we're going to be opening it and we're going to turn it to the opposite direction. So now we're going to be opening all the paper like this, so that we all did this just for a shape. So now we can open all these pieces of paper. As you see, there will be a small square crease over here like this. So now we're going to be folding this piece of paper until this crease in the middle, the triangular part over here. So we just did all the steps for folding and getting the creases, so do it properly to get a proper output. So now we're going to be folding it back inwards, these pieces over here, so that we're getting a photo frame shape like this. So once we complete this, we're going to be turning it to the opposite direction as we already did, and we're going to be doing the same step. So we're folding all the 4 sides of the paper to the middle point over here. So now our photo frame is ready. So if we turn to the opposite direction, our frame will be ready. And as you see, it's really cute as well. So as you see, this back part, I just stuck a green piece of paper, since this part might keep on coming out. So I just took another green piece of paper right now, and I'm just going to be cutting it in the edges and getting a proper square shape. This is not compulsory to be nice and cute, because if you see the back, if it does not look nice, then the craft won't be a good idea. So that's why I'm sticking it to get a proper look and to make it more cuter. So I'm taking green, since I thought that would be nice for Christmas, and we'll make a Christmas themed one, since all the colors I used are not for Christmas. So I'm taking green. If you guys want, you can take any different colors for different festivals if you're going to be doing them separately. And you can write Merry Christmas at the back over here at the top, on these spaces over here. It's according to you. So once we complete this, we're going to be letting it to dry for a few minutes. And after that, I'm going to be taking doing the drawing for this. So for that, I'm just going to be taking a white piece of paper and I'm going to be cutting it according to the length. So we're just going to be placing this at the top of the white paper, and we're going to be cutting a small square piece of paper. So I just took the measure, then I'm going to be cutting it. So once we cut it, do the next important step is we're supposed to be putting it inside and checking if the size is fitting it properly. So I'm just going to be pushing this inwards over here, and we're going to be doing that from all the directions. So please wait a while because this is a very important step, and if you do not do it fastly, then there will be some problems in folding and there will be marks and everything. So I'm just going to be pushing it inside slowly like this, and now our paper is inserted over here. So if you guys want to take it out, then you can do the drawing and insert it. But after we insert it, I'm going to be drawing the drawing now, because like after we do the drawing and like if it exceeds this boundary over here, it won't be perfect. That's why you're going to be keeping it inside. And I'm not doing any drawing. So you can do any drawing you like. For I'm just going to be doing easy drawings and cool drawing for Christmas. You can watch YouTube videos and you can do more interesting crafts or any other drawings according to it. And you can even like do like small, if you're going to be putting like in a bigger frame, you can do like small hangings and you can stick it over here, small craft ideas as well. So I'm just going to be drawing a small Christmas tree at the bottom. So I'm going to be taking this at the bottom part. I'm going to be drawing a small Christmas tree. So I'm just drawing like a half, like a V shape. Then I'm going to be connecting the V over here. Then we're going to be drawing the V shape again, and we're going to be putting this line, and we're going to be extending this V over here like this. And now we're going to be doing this one more time like this over here. And now we're going to be drawing the bottom part. So now our Christmas tree is ready. So I'm not doing any more decorations, like I'm just making it simple. So once we complete this, we're going to be drawing like small like squares or rectangles at the bottom part of the Christmas tree. This is for the small presents that we're going to be keeping it. Then we're going to be drawing like a plus in the inside of it like this. So once we complete this, I'm just going to be drawing a small bow on all the sides over here. So you can do any decorations you want. So now we've completed this. So the next step is that we're going to be drawing a small star at the top part of the Christmas tree. I forgot to draw this one. And now we completed the star. So after we do that, we're going to be drawing a small reindeer on this part. So we're just going to be drawing a big circle over here. Then we're going to be drawing like two lines coming out like this, downward C over here. Now we're going to be drawing one more line coming out like this over here, like small branches of a tree, and our reindeer is also ready. I'm not drawing the full face, I'm just going to be drawing a simple one. And at the top part over here, I'm just going to be drawing a small bell over here. That's also a really easy part. So we're just going to be drawing like two leaves coming out over here. It's supposed to be like a heart in shape. Then we're going to be drawing a small ball like this. Then we're going to be making a small U shape from over here. Then like a connecting part from over here. And also I'm drawing like a small circle at the bottom over here like this. So now we're just going to be connecting these over here like this. So now our bells are also ready. I'm just making it nice and simple. You guys can do more decorations to it and make it more prettier. So after our bell is complete, I'm just going to be writing Merry Christmas at the top part over here. So if you guys want to write like Christmas in normal way, I'm just going to be writing Merry Christmas. And you can even give this frame to your friends and family members, or to your siblings and everyone that you like. So since if you don't have space, I'm just going to be writing Christ at the top and Mass over here. So after we complete this, the next important part is coloring, because any drawing without coloring won't be nice. So I'm not doing any important steps, I'm just going to be coloring it simply. So if you guys want, you can take like color pencils and do it perfectly. Since we don't have that much time, I'm just going to be using markers and I'm going to be coloring them normally like this. So after that, I'm just going to be coloring one present over here like this. So next, we're going to be coloring the star for the Christmas tree. So for that, I'm just going to be taking a yellow marker over here, and we're going to be doing that. And we're also going to be drawing this top part over here like this. So I'm just going to be using random colors for this. It's not compulsory, you have to use like a certain color pattern. So next step is that we're going to be taking red, and we're going to be coloring in this present over here. And I'm also going to be using brown to color in the top front face of the reindeer and for the bottom part of the Christmas tree. So now we just have to color in our bells. So for that, I'm just going to be using orange. You guys can use any color pattern or any designs you like. So as I already said, this is just a simple design. You guys can do any design and any ideas that you like. So once we complete this, our really easy photo frame is ready. So before that, I'm just going to be taking a blue marker and I'm going to be putting small dots over here on this piece of paper. And you can even draw like small snowflakes as I already did in this drawing. So I'm just going to be doing it over here on all the directions like this. And you can keep like small dots. So now our photo frame is ready. So next we'll move on to the next important part, which is the stand for the photo frame. So we have to make the back part for this one. This is also a really simple part. So I'm just going to be cutting out a rectangular piece of paper out of the remaining pieces of paper that we had. Now I'm just going to be taking a glue bottle and I'm going to be applying some glue on this piece over here. And now we're going to be folding it in half and we're going to be sticking it. So once we complete this, I'm just going to be repeating the same step on this piece over here. So now we have tight glue. Next we can use it and we're going to be folding it in half again. So if you guys have a ice cream stick or toothpick, you can use it to spread the glue. And if you use your hand, don't forget to wash your hands because it might be poisonous and glue might be toxic. So now we're going to be taking this piece and we're going to be folding it again like this. So we're doing these steps to make it nice and thick. So you guys can use different steps for this. So the next step is that we're going to be applying some glue at the back part of the photo frame over here. So as you see, this is the front part and we're going to be rotating it over here and we're going to be sticking this piece like this. So once we complete this, we're just going to be folding this back to the top over here like this and we're going to be letting it dry for a few minutes. So after we complete this, we can turn it and we can make the photo frame stand. So after we complete this, our really easy Christmas photo frames are ready. This is a very easy and simple craft to do and you can use it as a home decor and you can use it in your home to decorate everything you like. You can, if you want, you can even give like a small color pencil shading over here to make it more nice. As you say, give a blue coating over here. So after we complete this, our really easy Christmas photo frames are ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to share this video with all your friends and family members. And also subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this. So if you have any ideas about what I should post to my channel, or if you have any doubts in my videos, don't forget to comment in the comment box below. I'll see your comments and respond to them as soon as possible. So I'd like to thank you all for supporting me and my channel. And keep continuing with my channel for more interesting videos like this. Thank you for watching. Bye.